Okay, breaking news. Let's check it out. I,
This has been. I'm gonna come back to the Horizon piece later. I saw some questions float through. I have a little bit of good news here for you. Then we have decided just today, in fact, that we will keep Horizon Worlds working in VR for existing games to support the fans who've reached out, like yourself, who really care about that. Um, the Horizon Unity runtime games, they're not going to work on mobile. They'll just be working on VR. We're not bringing new games. Again, most of our energy is going towards mobile and the Meta Horizon engine there. The reason for that is because that's where most of the consumer and creator energy already was, and so we're kind of leaning into that. But yeah, for people who already have games that they like that they're using in Horizon Worlds, we'll be able to download the Horizon Worlds app and use it in VR for the foreseeable future. The answer is very private.
wait, how do I pause? Wait, what? Um, okay, I will believe it when I see it, but this is very promising. Thank you, boss. Thank you guys at Meta for making this happen. Um, we should hold our breath a little bit, but this is very promising. You'll note they said Unity runtime, which is, I think, pretty much everything Horizon, right? Everything except Studio, and pretty much no one has Studio. So I guess that means there's like some specific Studio cases that are not going to be supported. I would assume like Central, anything that's come out in the last year from Meta might have been built in Studio. There's a few that are notable. They're the ones that feel weird and don't have the Horizon Worlds menu. Okay. I don't know if there's any other news in there. I've just had this sent to me literally seconds ago, and I decided I'd hit record while I watched it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in there. Comment down below. We'll keep you updated. Look at the comments. We'll make some news there. Crazy news. Exciting. So June 15th is not the end for current worlds. That means you're going to get to continue to play some of our existing games, your existing games. I guess the big thing I want to know is the multiplayer stuff. I mean, they got to keep a server online to play the world, like for it to be accessible. So I guess they're gonna have to support multiplayer. I thought like everything sounded like they were just shutting everything VR related down. So this is great. This is incredible news. Whew. All right. I guess I'll see you in Horizon for the foreseeable future. Very exciting. Very, very exciting.